Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our brand new video. So in this video we want to show you guys how you guys restore your headlights. Very simple, it's very basics. All you have to do need this sandpapers, 400, 600,000 to 3000, and this tapes, and also you guys especially need this polish for the headlights, and paper towel, soft water, and paper towel. That's pretty much.
Let's do it and let's start the work, guys.
Alright guys, so first of all you have to take this tape and cover all these edges because we don't want to scratch the pins. And yeah,
We want to use the Duramax paint tape, and also if you want to take a screenshot right here, Duramax fender tapes.
alright guys, so right now we finished the tape and looking good. And one more thing I just want to mention to you guys, if you guys have a bad headlight, like my one is kind of normal, so I will start from 600, 600,000, 2000, 3000 sandpaper. If you guys have a like too much bad headlight, so I will say start from 400. It's gonna be good for you. 400, 600, 800, and so on.
So we want to start from the 600, right?
Yes sir, 600 and up to 3000.
Yes. Now that he want to throw the soap on the headlight and starting from the 600. Let's do it.
Alright guys, so right now we did the 600, and after that we did the 1000 and 2000, and the last step we are doing this 3000 sandpaper, and after that we wanna
Yes,
polish
sir.
this
And we want
last
to look the result, what's
Creamy,
going to
creamy.
happen. Yep, sir.
Alright guys, so right now I just finished all of these sandpapers, so now it's time for the polish. So let's get to it.
Oh my goodness, yo, look at it,
Guys, check this out. I can't believe like this headlight's kind of new.
Brand new. Oh yo, look.
Feel
Like
like-
this is a proof, guys. This is our right side. We didn't even buff it out. We want to do it, but we leave it because we want to show you how crazy the result was. This is the before the result and after the result. Look at
How
look.
smooth is this?
You can literally see, and if you want to see the camera, this is the camera right there. And if you want to see the camera, you can't see nothing. Blurry. Unbelievable, yo.
I can't believe, bro, we can do it like by myself, you know?
And those stuff we were buy from the Walmart around, they were, how much they were? Under 50 bucks?
Maybe less than 50 bucks, maybe around 40, maybe less than 40, something like that. I'm not sure.
But still, guys, if you want to go for a mechanic and he want to do this
Maybe
stuff,
they're gonna
this
charge
job,
you one headlight maybe 50 bucks. I'm not sure, maybe 50 bucks on left side or right side.
50 bucks,
yeah.
still a lot of money. But we have still
One
all of
side.
those sandpaper because with each pack we have 5 pieces, right? And we use only one pieces, and all of them were half. Even the space, still we can use like more
4.5.
Yeah, 4.5. We can use still 5 times more. Like we can still use for those cars. This is crazy, yo.
Guys, you guys save your money and be smart. The only thing you have to do is labor, you know?
It's all
There's
labor. Look at
nothing
it,
too
guys.
crazy. It's all basic or simple. You can do it by yourself like a DIY and be smart and save your money, guys. Alright guys, so that's gonna be end of the video. So if you enjoyed, so please hit the like and subscribe and turn on notification on so you don't want to miss our brand new videos. So we will catch you next time. See ya.